Hello, this is Victor from RestoreYourMercedes.com, and today we have a throttle body here. It's a rare one. It's something that I normally do not work on, but this is something I needed to check for customers. This is for James in Massachusetts. This is an older style. As you can see, the plug is big. It's not the round plug just like that one. You see, this is a much different, spring loaded. Yeah, very spring loaded. I can barely. Okay, whatever. I can't move it with one hand. It's a spring loaded plug. It's a 92 500 SCL model. Now this throttle body came in. It was quite dirty, and that sound, don't mind that sound. That's the spring, return spring. I do not want this return spring to actually be lubricated. For the simple reason is because there's a clutch nearby, and if there's a clutch nearby, it can transfer the clutch is right behind it. So if I'm going to lubricate it to get rid of the noise, lubrication could go onto the clutch and it can start slipping. So that you don't want to put lubrication on the actual spring. Let it make the noise. Who cares? It's not gonna do anything in terms of the operation. So doesn't matter. Okay, so as you can see, the unit was made in the 92, third month on the night of 92, and because I don't really work on them, I don't have specific plug, so I had to just solder it directly to terminals, and just make an adapter here real quick so I can connect it to my e-gas module and Mr. Corona here. E-gas module right here. You can see it right there, e-gas. So that's the way I can just basically bench test this unit, because you see the plug is still there. I'm not cutting it because wires are in great shape. No need to change the wires. These are original 92, 93 wires. They do not fail. As you can see, the insulation is nice and colorful, so there's no problems there. So we're going to activate the unit now. So just put it on. As you can see, the unit came on, and humming sound. As you can hear it, it's present there. So that's the operation. Now don't worry about the cleanliness. I'm going to do the soda blasting on this thing, just to clean it up a little bit. I did these units, as you can see. This is after soda blasting. Now this is much cleaner one, but this is pretty bad. So it's not gonna come out just like that, but it will be much cleaner than what it is right now. But anyway, I'll do it when I when I desolder all this. I'll unsolder them. But I just wanted to show operation. So as you can see, unit works fine. I actually left this thing overnight energized, so I can see if clutch coil shuts down or if there is a problem with the motor or anything of that nature, and it did not show any kind of failures in terms of the motor or the clutch. This is full throttle opening, idle, full throttle. So I'm still going to clean potentiometer. As you can see, it's still unbolted. So the screws are missing, just one screw. I just don't want it to be open because you can damage it if it's open and it accidentally moves around. But other than that, I mean, it works pretty good to me. Fast, slow. See, it works good. I mean, I don't see a problem with it. So James, this thing seemed to be okay to me. I mean, I took a look at it. I have another video there for you for the e-gas module you mailed me. That checked out fine as well. So both of the e-gas electronic actuator, both of those units are fine. the actuator itself and the control module. So I don't see a problem with them. So it just, you know, works. So I just wanted to make this other video here for you. I'm gonna send you a link to both, to this one and to the e-gas module test, but I don't see a problem with this. It seemed to be working fine with me. Oh yeah, we can also test the if let's say it gets jammed, if it shuts down. So I'm gonna jam it. Say I put like a toothbrush in there, when I clean some, and then I'm gonna close it. Do not put your fingers in there, it's gonna really hurt you. So I'm gonna close it, and there you go. It goes into limp mode. It senses the jam. Okay, so all of that works. So everything really seemed to work just fine. I'm gonna have to reset the ignition, shut it down, put it back on idle, put it back on. There you have it. It's back to normal operation, jam-free operation. So everything seemed to be fine with, like, to me everything seemed to be okay. Alright, just wanted to show you how I test these things. And it did stay overnight energized, and it then never shut down. Everything was fine. I had to disassemble it partially to clean out the clutch coil, put some lubrication here, lubrication on the actual shaft, where the main gear shaft right there behind it, that's the shaft right there, goes through, and on a little bit on gears. I mean, it won't hurt it. Once I do media blasting, then I'm going to align it all. The throttle plate is misaligned slightly. If you look at the light, you see to the right of side it's like open more, to the left side is really close. So I'm going to realign this actual plate to the side a little bit to the right, so it actually stays in the center. That's a good thing to do anyhow, so and I will do that, but that will be done after media blast, because it's going to be nice and clean. So you know, we'll be ready to go. Alright, well, just wanted to show you this, and you know, I'll talk to you in a little bit. This is Victor from RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thanks for watching.